Back from the swap meet. Of course, the sun's kind of coming out. Pretty big rain shower, kind of drove everybody away. Not ideal, but at least we still got to have somewhat of a swap meet before rained out or just didn't happen at all. So better than nothing, I suppose. Let me show you guys what I bought at the swap meet. I didn't buy much, but I did sell a few things. So a little bit more money for the power tour from the swap meet. So that's good. But let me show you guys what I bought. The three things that I actually bought, and that was I didn't get a chance to really walk around and look at a lot of people's stuff before it poured. I bought this. It might go to Angels, I don't know. Cornwell tools. I just thought it looked cool. Nice coloration, stuff like that. I'm gonna see if this cap, which is vented, will fit on the wagon, just because I like it a little bit better than the flat cap that's in it. And then I bought this just in case I need an extra, as that rolls off, just an extra breather in case I need this for the valve covers. Matches it kind of nice. I don't know that it'll fit, but if not, I'll just pass it along some other time to another swap meet. But it looked pretty good, not a bad, should go with it. So these are the three things I bought, and we will probably utilize at least the cap on that. May not, I don't know. We'll see if it fits underneath the lid. If it does, we'll use it. If not, no big deal. That's the only three things I bought. All right, so we had the swap meet. Takeaways. It was good till it rained. The people that came out, a lot of people got scared away by the rain. You could tell just by the turnout. Wasn't all bad. Sold some stuff. I think several of us sold some stuff. It absolutely downpoured at like 12. The car show had 40 car turnout. Couldn't ask for a better turnout with the rain in the forecast, especially like a whole Model A club showed up, which was like, I think 8 to 10 cars, at least something like that. The biggest issue obviously was not having a rain out date, but we did not have one at the time. It wasn't going to work out. Sunday's a day, most people don't want to do a Sunday rain out day, so they're going to reschedule. I will not be here for the next one, unfortunately, for the rescheduled date. But let's go over some things real quick. I think what I enjoy the most about the swap meets and car shows is just getting to see people I don't always see, or people see some stuff, I guess, online of Dead Pedal and myself, and I get feedback, so that's awesome. But yeah, just getting to talk to people and saying hey, or asking how people's projects and stuff's going, or just life in general. I know I had several discussions with a lot of you Saturday before the rain came in. We had a roll, so that was awesome. Definitely, always come up and say hey to me if you see me. It is always interesting when a random Ferrari that you've never seen in town. There's a couple of Ferraris scattered around my town, but I've never seen this one before, so that was kind of interesting. Pulled up. As soon as he rolled down the window, I knew exactly who it was, so that was kind of funny. Kind of made me laugh, but he made a lot of people's day with that car. Just you can see them in the background, just their eyes focus on it. But anyway, that was cool. I'll show you a clip of that. finally, the car show. We will walk around and show you the cars that were in the show. This is usually when we're larger in town, but again, with the rain, it was like 40 car turnout, which is still astonishing with the just the forecast. It was all rain all weekend, so the fact that it didn't rain for the first like 4 hours was pretty awesome. So enjoy the car content, and we will catch y'all soon. Vendors, the Bloodmobile is here. Nice vet leaving. Oh yeah. All right, man. That's a clean Beetle, man. Super clean. You headed to Bug? You gonna go to Bugs next weekend? I'll try to see you there.